Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Running ads without conversions recordings is like driving blind. If Google Ads shows clicks but no conversions, your tracking is likely broken. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix the conversion tracking step by step in Google Ads 2026. These, like you see in my screen, are one of the errors you might be encountering. Now, to fix this issue, before that, we're going to show you how to log into your Google Ads accounts. If you're just starting, you're going to go to the Google Ads website, and here you're going to make sure to log in with your Google account. Once you do that, you're going to click on Start Now, and you're going to create your business. Enter the information of your business, for example, the business name, your website, which is mandatory. You can't create a Google Ads account without your website here for your business, and your business phone number, etc., your app download page. Now, once you finish setting up your business here, the second thing to do, we're gonna fix the conversion not recording issue. Now, here, to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is to check the conversion status. You're gonna go to your main page here in Google Ads, and there you're gonna go to Tools and Settings, and there you're gonna check and look for unverified or inactive, and in no recent conversion. After that, you're gonna test with Tag Assistant. You can use Google Tag Assistant to check for tag loads, tag fires, and correct conversion ID label. Once you do that, you're gonna check for Google Tag Manager. Now, if using Google Tag Manager, open preview mode and trigger conversion action. You can ensure correct trigger and then fix and publish. The fourth thing to do is to check conversion settings. You can verify conversion window, attribution model, and primary versus secondary conversions. Wrong settings equals missing data, so make sure to verify that. And after that, you're going to check the thank you page or event. Now you're going to go here, and you're going to make sure the thank you page loads properly and the events fire once not duplicated. Also, make sure to link the GA4 to Google Ads and avoid duplicate conversion tags and test conversions after you update. No conversion tracking issue can destroy performance, but they're 100% fixable. Once your tags, triggers, and settings are correct, Google Ads optimization becomes powerful and accurate. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.